Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray boat dealership here. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this new arrival, a 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard in the beautiful Sea Ray blue, dark blue hull. Absolutely gorgeous water sports tower with wakeboard attachment on it, huge bimini attached to that water sports tower. Windlass anchor with stainless steel anchor. Absolutely gorgeous boat. Such a popular boat for our market down here. This one's powered by a pair of twin Mercury V8 250 Verados with joystick piloting. Everybody wants, and the white engines also. Much easier down here in the heat. This boat has underwater lights, trim tabs. Check out this nifty little swim patio here that folds down when you're at anchor. Gorgeous aft sun pad area here. Beautiful stitching. Sea deck on the swim platform. Actually, sea deck throughout the entire boat. And 3 or 4 people can hang out back here easily. Stereo controls in a perfect spot. 12-volt outlet. Nice easy walk through it. There's some wet dry storage here on the floor. Nice countertop space with a sink and a storage area. Nice for making drinks, putting out the display of food. This is the stone interior, nice light gray, absolutely gorgeous. This does have both cockpit tables, one in the aft here and one in the bow. Those are stored in the helm, underneath the helm. You have storage in the floor, storage underneath all the compartments. And a nice refrigerator here as well. Some things to point out on this, which separates it from a lot of our other competitive brands: self-bailing cockpit. Water is not going into your bilge if it rains, people. It is going directly overboard, just like a center console. Triple batteries, battery charger. You have a gorgeous enclosed head with a vacuum flush toilet and another sink. Little storage area in here, nicely upgraded. This is a yacht toilet, not a porta potty. And not just a porcelain bowl. It has a separate holding tank using vacuum. Nice and quiet. Nice, no smell. Easy to use, easy to maintain. Little glove box here, which is lockable. Look at the gorgeous helm on a 29-foot. There's obviously your joystick with skyhook and autopilot built in. These are the new DTS controls from Mercury, all fly-by-wire. Big 12-inch Simrad digital display with an acrylic dash behind it. This has the upgraded Fusion stereo system. Nice Bocatech switches. Great walkthrough here. With a huge bow area. Even have armrests that come down when you're sitting up here. Make yourself more comfortable. Optional windlass up here with hand controls. Another freshwater washdown. Such a cool boat. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. It is available. Ready today. Give us a call, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching. Look forward to hearing from you.